Hi, my name is Sir Romel. I know, I can have so much things better than I have today. So guys, ilang araw ding nawala, diba? May pinagbisiyan tayo. Thank you, Lord, for that. Let's go! Thank you for another day, Lord. Thank you very much for all the blessings. And yes, we stand for No Corruption, Free Corruption Philippines with Ma'am Edeline Bade and with the whole Jasuma family. Today po ay may Zumba ang mga teachers, kaya naman, let's go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ano ba niya? Ano meron? Ano niya?
Hindi niya birthday.
Ano niya?
Kapanganak niya.
Ay, happy birthday pa rin. Ano niya?
Anniversary.
Ay, happy anniversary. Happy Soft Drinks Day para kay Sir Ruben. Cheers! Congratulations! Happy Soft Drinks Day. Oh, real quick, as a nurse time, hindi mag-opera tayo. Ito joke lang, may racket tayo today. Let's go! At nandito na tayo ngayon sa Rosewood, Bacoor City. Ang layo na to, guys. Diba? Racket more. Bakit kasi ganito yung Pilipinas? Kurap kasi masyado. Ladies and gentlemen. Cake slicing. Music din yan. Okay na yan. Kaya na yan, no? Run na natin yan ng 1 hour.
Kung bahala. Kinadali mo.
1 hour run, no? Bumihay ako 30 minutes. 1 hour ko lang i-run yung program. Kasi hindi naman.
1 sound check, mic test, sound check 1 1 1. Hi, my name is Sir Romel. Welcome. Bagyo Man, tuloy event namin, Deadma sa Bagyo. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Rosewood Subdivision. We're here gathered today as we celebrate the newlywed Algie and Justine. Wala ba? Palakpakan dyan! Alright, maraming salamat with that. Ating iwagay-way as we welcome the newlywed. Please all welcome Algie and Justine.
Ben, lakas ng ulan ngayon dito sa Bacoor. Kawawa naman yung ikakasal. Yung kinasal pala. Kung sayang yung venue. Happy wedding po. Sana all may asawa. Ano yung lang.
Wait lang.
Kita namin, thank you po. Thank you sa lahat po ng mga pumunta po. So po, at lahat nandito. Sa mga nakauwi na,
Siyempre, hindi na nila alam kung paano magpasalamat natin. At maraming salamat kay Lord. Siyempre, una sa lahat yan. Kundi dahil sa Kanya, wala kami dito.
That's the end of our day. Let's end this with the coffee by the coffee, diba? Ang sarap ng kape nila, promise. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!